Cut the rail according to the required dimensions. Cut the rails at the door back end side. Cut to the designated dimensions. If the standard mounting hole is 80 mm or more away from the rail end, drill an additional hole for installation. Insert 2 plate nuts into the T-groove of the rail. Move the plate nut to the mounting position and install the braking rack set with the supplied screws. Set the rail mounting holes and frame side wire clip mounting holes. For the horizontal type NSC series, set the rail mounting holes at the pitch shown in the diagram. For the incline type DSC series, set the rail mounting holes at a gradient of 3.5 per 300. For steel frames, make M5 tapped holes. If the dimension of G1 and G2 shown in the diagram is 155 mm or more, set an additional rail mounting hole. First, install rail 1 and rail 2 with the supplied screws. Then, install the frame side wire clip with the supplied screws. Install the brackets to door 1. For the horizontal type NSC series, install the brackets as shown in the diagram. For the incline type DSC series, install the brackets by inserting height adjustment plates under the hanger base of the door back end side. The number of plates differs depending on the door width. Refer to the table shown. For the CW series for wooden doors, install the brackets using the plates for wooden doors. When using the plate for wooden doors, drill pilot holes into the door where the screws will be screwed in. Install the brackets to door 2. For the horizontal type NSC series, install the brackets as shown in the diagram. For the incline type DSC series, install the brackets by inserting height adjustment plates under the hanger base of the door back end side. The number of plates differs depending on the door width. Refer to the table shown. For the CW series for wooden doors, install the brackets using the plates for wooden doors. When using the plate for wooden doors, drill pilot holes into the door where the screws will be screwed in. When installing the pulley bracket and adjustable pulley bracket, use the 2 mounting holes on the backside. Install 2 guide rollers. When installing the guide roller floor mounting type, install it at the center of the overlapping section of door 2. If the floor is concrete or mortar, use the supplied Fisher plug to install the guide roller. When installing the adjustable guide roller, loosen the hex screws of the adjustable guide roller and adjust the roller position to the dimensions shown in the diagram according to the door thickness. Install the adjustable guide roller to door 2 at the position shown in the diagram with the supplied screws. For wooden doors, use the supplied tapping screws. Install the wire before hanging the door on the rail. Pass the wire rope around the pulley brackets of door 2 and through the door side wire clip. Tighten the screws of the door side wire clip to fix the wire rope. Fix the wire with screws while pulling it. Drill 2 holes in the door front end on rail 2 for installing the door stopper. Install the door stopper with the supplied screws. Align the lower sections of the doors with the guide roller and hang the doors in the order of door 2 and door 1. After hanging the doors, be sure to install the door slip prevention brackets and anti-jump bracket. Check that each of the doors moves smoothly after installation. Adjust the wire rope. Be sure to close the door before adjustment. Install the door side wire clip with the supplied screws. Loosen the wire rope fixing screws. Hook the wire rope on the frame side wire clip. Loosen the decoration nut and move it toward the pulley. Tighten the other decoration nut. Adjust it until the pulley moves in the direction of the arrow and there is no slack in the wire rope. After adjusting the slack in the wire rope, tighten the decoration nut on the pulley side to securely fix the pulley in place. Finally, tighten the wire rope fixing screws of the frame side wire clip. Be sure to adjust the wire rope with the door closed. Stretch out the wire rope to the extent that it is loose but not slack. If it is pulled too taut, an excessive load will be applied and can cause a failure. Install 2 door stoppers on the door back ends. Keep door 1 and door 2 fully opened. Set the door stoppers to touch the door slip prevention bracket of hanger B. Mark the screw installation positions on the rails. Drill 2 additional installation holes on the marked positions. Install the door stoppers with the supplied screws. Refer to the installation manual of the door closer unit and install the other components. Open and close the door and adjust the closing time by adjusting the braking device and pull spring. Installation is now complete.